Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file and launching the route editor so you can change lines cleanly. Open the game, load the save or sandbox profile, and back up the route file. This prevents loss if you need to revert. Once done, open Route Editor from the main menu or use the configured hotkey to enter Map Edit mode. Make sure to select the correct map layer and the depot you want the bus to originate from. This ensures stops and schedules sync properly. Now you edit stops and waypoints to change the route path and timing. Drag existing stops to new curb positions or add stops by clicking a road segment. Snapping to the road prevents off-road placement. Then edit waypoints between stops to refine the vehicle path, adjusting lane choices and curvature so buses follow realistic traces. Also update stop dwell times and stop ID. This ensures schedules and passenger behavior remain consistent once the route is active. Finish by updating schedules, assigning vehicles, and deploying the route into live simulation. Change headways or timetable entries to match capacity needs, then assign driver shifts and vehicles so the route has resources. Preview changes in test mode and run a test trip to watch for clipping, traffic conflicts, or missing stops. Once satisfied, save a versioned file and deploy the route. If the bus behaves oddly, reload the backup and check waypoint order, and lane assignments as your troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.